What is happening, Ashna, is आज के टाइम पे I want to get a divorce. I'm fed up in a marriage. I go to a lawyer. The lawyer throws not the solution of divorce but everything at me कि DV डाल दे, maintenance डाल दे, CRPC का, HMA का maintenance डाल दे, फिर तू एक काम कर, तू एक FIR कर दे. तो मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ प्रोसीडिंग्स होती हैं. लोग क्या चाहते हैं कि मतलब दूसरे की ज़िंदगी बर्बाद करना चाहते हैं या एक्चुअली रेजोल्यूशन चाहते हैं.
तो आराम से पहले बात मान लो ना, ये सब नहीं करना है तो.
That is true. See, like I said right in the beginning of this in this segment, that one of the spouses is usually opposing it, right? One of the spouses, for whatever reason, good or bad, is opposing the marriage, because it could be because of their financial condition. It could be because that person has a child to care about and the other person just does not care about the child. It could be because of certain financials. It could be because of the family. It could be because of
all of them
physical
combined.
trauma, or all of them combined.
I agree personally.
A flip question to you guys. Lawyers, like when you must have seen a lot of divorces, a lot of separations happening in front of you. Lawyers and judges, are they able to feel it? Are the emotions still intact, or have they become very thick-skinned to it because they see it every day? Like you
The
see
latter.
doctors in the ET.
I wouldn't say
Definitely
I
the
wouldn't
latter.
no I wouldn't say it's thick-skinned, but
Maybe I used the wrong word.
there is
but
a degree of objectivity that a judge
decent.
is supposed to have when judging anything, any aspect of a marriage. For example, अगर maintenance decide कर रहा है, तो he won't be looking at क्या कहते हैं just the emotional part of it, but he'll be looking at the income affidavit. Maintenance के टाइम पे आप दोनों parties को income
दिल में
affidavit
दर्द
डालना
होता है
पड़ता
जज
है.
के.
I guess
Is what I was
I'm
asking.
sure as a
It
human
really-
being होता है, but as a judge, it's very important for
It
him to ensure
depends.
the objectivity.
You are completely correct. However, it
That's how it's
depends
supposed
from
to be.
person to person,
Yeah.
because I have seen judges, जैसे जब भी child custody का केस होगा तो वो बैठ जाएंगे judges बच्चे को लेके गोद में, ठीक है? Because I have literally seen certain judges do that in order to make the child feel comfortable, or to really understand what the child is going through without that gaze or stare by either of the parents who might be tutoring the child.
और फिर in
वो
camera
उसको
proceedings
अलग
हो
से-
जाते हैं उसके लिए तो.
वो अलग से उसको गोद में बिठाएगा, उसको बोलेगा हाँ जी बेटा ये लो टॉफी ले लो, अच्छा बताओ ये अच्छे लगते हैं कि वो अच्छे लगते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे करके. So there is a degree of objectivity, but there are judges who are really committed and really emotional to it, to this particular cause. So what you're asking is I cannot answer that, because that really depends on the nature of a person,
Right.
and hence that judge or that
But let's stop
advocate.
being diplomatic for a minute, and what do you see as observation in general to people
नहीं
desensitized?
तब मैं होता पता है
I
क्या
do
है?
not.
नहीं होता ये है कि मान लो अगर औरत है और डिवोर्स लेना चाह रही है, लॉयर के पास जा रही है, तो लॉयर भी लाइक अब एक काम कर, तू बस कहानी एक पेपर पे लिख के मेरे को पूरी दे दे, मैं इसकी 5-6 अलग अलग कंप्लेंट बनाऊंगा, जितना प्रेशर डालना होगा डाल देंगे, एंड में म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से मिलेगा. क्योंकि इंडिया में सीन बॉस ये है, आपको अगर डिवोर्स चाहिए है तो म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से ले लो, उससे पहले जो कहानियाँ करनी है वो सारी DV एक्ट, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस बना लो, डाउरी बना लो.
These are all pressure tactics.
The
Mostly.
tactics will work to build pressure, but they will never ever work to get you a divorce. क्योंकि objective क्या है? A justified, the objective of the court is एक justified judgment rather than to judge कि अच्छा ये settlement हो गया, अब क्या कहते हैं इस बीवी को क्या कहते हैं 10 लाख रुपए मिलेंगे and divorce done. Like that's not how things are supposed to do.
Thinking about this practically, guys, if a wife and a husband are fighting before the court for say 3 to 4 years, and even if one of them is opposing the divorce,
You're wasting
Isn't
at
it
the end,
irretrievable
it
already?
is irretrievable already. So
Yeah.
after 4 to 5 years, what are they fighting over? They are fighting over alimony. They are fighting over maintenance. जितनी भी
and
इनकी-
custody, I guess.
Custody
And custody, but then
and
custody
FIRs
is
and
another
quashing and I don't
My-
know revision petitions,
So if I can
appeals.
speak from my experience, and when I say my experience, Mera and everybody, all the other girls that I've spoken to, I'm answering your question. Judges
Okay.
wala, I think Ashna has
right.
covered it. So as far as lawyers are concerned, it is true that as a lawyer, somebody is not able to extend the same amount of sensitivity as you are experiencing as a client. आप चाहते हो, and me being a lawyer, I knew कि courts कितने slow चलते हैं. मुझे पता था कि this is going to be a time-taking process. It's going to be painful, and I was doing the same thing, creating pressure to get what I want, how I want it. Because by that point of time, I was pissed off that शांति से मैंने सब करने की कोशिश कर रही, नहीं हो रहा है. और ये सबके साथ होता है. Literally, I've spoken to probably 15 गर्ल्स, एंड ये सबके साथ होता है. प्यार से बात करने की सब कोशिश करते हैं, एंड उस टाइम तक इतना मिसट्रस्ट हो जाता है ना that they can't sit with each other, you know. The other person's always thinking, oh, I'm being probably surveyed, or you know, I'm being surveillanced, or you know, somebody is looking at me or recording this. So it does. I was fortunate that way, touch wood, that I had somebody who was a very close family friend, so he had my best interest in mind while we were going through everything. But I see people suffering only because they are expecting a certain level of sensitivity from the lawyer, और वो नहीं आ सकती. It's
sensitivity छोड़ो, मतलब the lawyers also end up like having their self interest की जितने cases उतनी fees. Supreme Court ने recently disposed of a matrimonial dispute, and they disposed of close to 67 matters. मतलब 67 matters between 2 people.
Okay.
And that was just about a matrimonial dispute. तो बोला भाई mediate करो, खत्म करो, like please, like just
listening to all of this. Why didn't I hear all of this before? My mother was a pathetic negotiator. Where were these lawyers at that time? Maybe we could have gotten some more money. Barely got some.